Welcome to today's news. Railway Recruitment Board RRB has released short notification to recruit for 1036 ministerial and isolated posts. The Indian Railway is inviting for various ministerial and isolated category positions including teachers, legal officers, translators and librarians. The online application process will begin on January 1, 2025 and close on February 6, 2025. The age limit is between 18 to 32 to 48 years. The pay scale is ranging from rupees 19,900 to 47,600 per month depending on the post. Post-wise eligibility criteria and other details will be available in RRB websites. Interested candidates are visit regularly the RRB websites for latest updates. Website https rrbapply.gov.in. For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https studyforsure.com. Thank you.